Welcome to the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. Here's the seafood news for the week of December 17th, 2012. Market conditions and product availability are quickly changing as the Asian Lunar New Year break quickly approaches. Tilapia raw material supply is becoming short, as is production space for orders that are to ship pre-New Year break. Consequently, prices have risen slightly. Fillet prices are up 5 to 10 cents. Prices are expected to continue climbing until the end of January. Atlantic cod prices have dropped 5 to 10 cents a pound over the past 4 weeks due to poor market conditions and raw material surplus. There are confirmed offers of Atlantic cod loins at price parity with Pacific cod loins. Prices for Atlantic cod have been on a downward slide for the past 3 to 4 months. With a pending quota increase for Russian Norwegian Atlantic cod, processors are expecting prices to soften more after the Chinese New Year. Pacific cod prices have remained stable to date despite Atlantic cod prices falling. Limited production capacity leading to the Chinese New Year is creating short-term supply shortages that are helping maintain prices. However, with Atlantic cod reaching price parity to Pacific cod, there may be downward pressure on Pacific cod prices. It is expected that coming out of the New Year break, buyers will see price softening. Raw material prices remain stable at $2,200 to $2,250 per metric ton. Pollock raw material prices are stable at $1,400 to $1,450 per metric ton. There are production shortages for Pollock and noted shortages of fillets in North America. 4 to 6 fillet inventories in North America are low, creating demand for that size. Processors are reporting strong sales in South America, North America, and European markets, which will keep prices stable until after the Chinese New Year. Prices will likely be of a factor then availability from now until early March. And finally, Vietnam Pangasius raw material prices have risen from $1.03 to $1.13 US per kg over the past week. Poor market conditions are preventing price strengthening on finished products despite supply conditions that should be driving prices up. The biggest supply factor is lack of capital for the farmers. Farmers continue to rely on short-term loans to operate, creating hardships for the industry. Another significant factor is the increasing feed costs. Feed prices have risen 15 to 20% as a result of poor soy harvests, which have driven soy prices up. Feed accounts for 80% of the cost of a market-ready fish. Further shortages are coming as fewer fish are being farmed and increasing numbers of farmers are going bankrupt. Overall output is down in the first 10 months of 2012 by 2.2% versus 2011 production during the same period. Lastly, just a quick reminder, as the end of the year approaches, there will not be a 3-minute market insight on December 24th and December 31st. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.